Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Archana here. This video is part of YouTube hub called Create Don't Hate, and here are our fabulous sponsors. We are a group of 19 artists around the world, and so you're gonna have 19 amazing tutorials to learn. And to participate in this hub, all you have to do is follow these rules. That is, subscribe to all 19 channels, like and comment on the video with your name and where are you from, and share this video using our hop hashtag CreateDontHate. Okay, so moving on to my project, I have used MDF panel to work on. Next, to build the background, here you can see I have used little thick cardboard and cut them into the square pieces and adhere them onto the panel, leaving little gap, as you can see here. Next, here I have created a composition using resin embellishment and chipboard pieces. Okay, so once I'm happy with the composition, next to add more interest and to build more layers onto the project, I have mixed micro beads and glue into a bowl and then added this mixture around the composition. Micro beads are amazing to add textures and it really creates interesting layer onto the project. You can also add glue first and then add micro beads, but for me mixing this glue and micro beads together works because this way I feel this glue holds all the micro beads onto the project nicely. And next I also mixed granulated sand and glue together and added this mixture onto the project, and this really added amazing extra texture on my project which I wanted. And also this is very nice hack to create texture with minimum supplies. This kind of a sand you can get from market or you can use any kind of a fine sand. I have used rangoli, which is very commonly available here in India. Okay, so once that's done and everything is dried completely, I cover entire project using black gesso. I just love using black gesso these days because I just feel adding black layer first and then adding metallics or light shades creates very amazing depth onto the project. And here to add gesso onto the project, I have used very hard bristle flat brush so that this bristle will go onto the textural part and cover entire project nicely. Okay, so for this project I wanted to go with kind of grassy and mossy look, so I choose shades of green, and for that I have used chalk paints and metallics together. And once I'm happy with the base layer of green shade, then next for the highlighting process I have used gold shade metallic, so that way all the texture will get enhanced and pop out. And here I have added a little bit of green shade around the composition to add more depth onto the project. And next, to finish the project, I have stamped one sentiment and place it onto the project. And yeah, this is how I finished this project. So hope you guys have enjoyed this process. Do join me on my other social media platform. All the links are in the description box below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be back till then. Bye bye, take care and happy creating.